Shuffling madness, locomotive press, and the all-time winner, headlong to his death. Now he feels those pistons scraping, steam breaking off his brow. John stole the handle, and the train, it won't stop going, no way to slow it down. Sees his children jump on stations one by one. Woman and his best friend in bed and having fun. Now he's crawling down the corridor on his hands and knees. John stole the handle, and the train, it won't stop going, no way to slow it down. Silence howling, angels as they fall, and the all-time winner has got him by the ball. Now he picks up Gideon's Bible, open at page 1. Says God stole the handle, and the train, it won't stop going, no way to slow it down. And the train, it won't stop going, no way to slow it down. Jethro Tull, there we go.